Next was Aquatopia. Now, we know this attraction would soon be closing down permanently. So even with a 60-minute wait, we felt it was worth experiencing one last time. The ride itself is simple, but that's part of the charm. Gliding across the water with unexpected twists and turns gave us a completely different perspective of this beautiful park. I'd love to know your thoughts. Would you wait 60 minutes for Aquatopia, or would you spend that time elsewhere? By the way, if you're finding this review useful and helping you plan your own DisneySea adventure, we'd really appreciate a quick tap on that like button. It helps this video reach more Disney fans and supports the channel. Thank you for your support.